Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, JAMMAS day number 9, I'll be sharing with you something, one of the easiest little dishes that you can think of, and I think you have already seen the title. We're going to be preparing a little egg fried rice. You know, this is something where anybody can do it. You can put your own twist to it. You know, so many twists you can put to it. So right on over here, I've got my skillet. I'm going to be pouring in a little oil. And to this little oil, I'm going to be chopping some garlic and some ginger. Get our flame down. I'm going to be doing it freehand. I'm going to be doing it on the low flame because I don't want the garlic and the ginger burn. I just want it to flavor the oil. You can do your chopping and your cutting board and all of that. But you know, from time to time, I always like to do my little freehand chopping. Some garlic and a little ginger. Soon come. I've got here some supposed to be green scallion. So I'm just going to use the white part and use that in the latter part of the dish. So I'm going to be adding to the chopped stuff a little white part, the white part of the green scallions and all of that. Okay? So I've done that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my flame up now whilst I monitor it. I've got here 6 small eggs and you can use probably 3 because this is like about under a pound of cooked rice. So I'm putting a little bit of salt, not a lot because we have some soy sauce and some Worcestershire there. And I know say them have salt in them. So I'm beating my eggs. Remember we're doing egg fried rice. And as this starts sauteing, I'm going to be putting in some carrots. And these are uncooked carrots. So we're going to do it for a little time. Get our flame up to a little over medium. Not fully high and all of that. This is what is happening, Daddy, shooting them up. Yeah. We have some corn and some peas here, but they are cooked. So the carrots are not cooked. So we'll bring them up to par with a little ginger, the little garlic, and the little white part of the scallion. This is a very easy dish, family. And as I said to you before, yeah, you can put your twist. There's so many twists that you can put to it. Just take it and make it your own. It's an easy little dish. The holiday season, all it up and down, all it shopping. Mothers come home, them have kids to feed. Even kids, they can make some dinner while you're away, while you're out. Working late hours and all of that, you know. Kids can do this too. And you come home and you're tired, you can easily whip up this. We're going to saute off until our carrots, please pay attention and do not let the little seasonings burn until our carrots are like 3/4 of a way cooked, and then we are going to return. Get their heat high now. Whip out your eggs. Put it right in there. And you're going to start on the high. You should be doing this on the high. So the eggs is in there with everything that is happening and all of that. Right there now, and you know want you see that? Yeah, easy squeezy. Now that the eggs are starting to cook, you want to get your flame down. Because you know when they come dry out, you know, and all of that. Nice and easy, nice and cute. Whoops, and we have just made a mess. Get your flame down, yeah. At this point, you want to put in your rice. So, the eggs have been seasoned. You know, with the little thing the way you see we do. You see what we do? Yep. So the egg inside there and all of that. Put in your little green peas. It's just a little easy incorporating dish. Because these are not cooked. They are from the tin. So what you want to know, you want to start mix up on that low heat there. Take your time and get your thing all mixed up. And probably you can use 2 spoons right here so for carry faster. Look at that. We'll get this all mixed up and return. I will soon finish this up in, and it looks so pretty. It looks so nice already in that.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, man.
Perfect.
Yeah. We're back. I'm putting in a little basil. Remember, you can do what you feel for doing a year or something, you know. Not too much. I'm putting in a little Worcestershire. Not too much for flavor. And for just turn this a little bit. Yeah, and this having some salt. And I'm down on a little less than medium. I'm putting in some light soy sauce. Wow, the mouth of this big. I never used to say it's so big. You know? So you don't have to put these in there. You can put other stuff. You want to carry your flame back up a little. And I don't think we should want any salt. Get your flame back up on the high. And this looks so nice. Nobody can stand an egg fried rice. I then sure see the egg then. Lots of eggs in there and all of that. So you want to get it up on high now. Wow. This is so beautiful. If you want to put in your little black pepper, do your thing. Yeah. So you see, when you start the eggs, you don't let them dry out before you add the rice. So me I say family, and you just use this. This can help you a little better. As opposed to the one thing there. For me now, I want a little heat in there. So look what I'm going to do. Some red bell pepper flakes. I'm going to sprinkle a little over it. And all of that. Not too much. To give me a little heat. So, whilst that is there, under the high, turning into, you know, that fried rice. Because you know, so it have to have, you don't want to moisten it. I'm going to go now and chop the green part of my scallion and come back. Me soon come. Okay, so we are back. So we are cutting off a little green scallions. You want a reasonable amount of green scallions. It's over there. Shoot them up there. And it's there. I just added like another tablespoon or tablespoon and a half of oil. So this is where you need a chopping board. So you just cut off your little green scallions fine and nice. Or make it look uniform, you know. Once it's there, when you reach at the end, so you're careful here. Whereas if you don't have knife cutting skills like myself. Right over here, give it a final stir and all of that. This nice heat is everything just get nice and mixed and, you know, looking so scrumptious. And this is something that we want to heat warm. Hot or warm. We don't want to eat this cold, not at all. You know? So everybody finally get mixed up now. And that is what it looks like. Yeah. Turn your flame off. Your flame is okay now to turn off. Or it's okay now to turn your flame off.
Look.
Yeah. Really looking real pretty. So you want to get the most greenest part of it, and you just come and you just garnish your dish with it. Okay? Looking really good. Fresh green onions and all of that. We're going to come back to you and plate up some just for you. I told you it's an easy squeezy dish. Easiest thing. Nutritious, and it really tastes good too. Use enough eggs. Don't go sparing on the eggs. If you're a person, if you don't like eggs, I don't know, maybe you can substitute some egg substitute or anything, but nothing beats the real thing. So we're going to come back, plate up some just for you. But soon come. Told you it was an easy dish. Plating time. So you just want to go mix your green scallions in. Yeah. Maybe eat, just pull that flavor. Look at it. Look at it while I plate it.
Nothing too fussy.
Nothing too fussy. Nothing too... That says nothing too fussy. Nothing too hard.
No, more pepper.
Just a little more for who can manage the pepper. Real kitchen, JAMMAS day number 9. Real slow, real easy, nothing too fussy, as Dad said. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach, it is just this easy squeezy egg fried rice. Take it, make it your own, put your twist to it. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, all I ask of you is just to give me a thumbs up. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed, and when you do subscribe, remember to click the bell. When you click the bell, press the option that says all. Remember to make sure that you check out the description for all our info and all of, everything that is going on with us on the Jamaican cooking journey. Remember to make use of our code, of our 20% discount code. It ends on the 12th of this month, okay, at our merch store. Remember to be you, do you most of all. Love you some easy squeezy egg fried rice.